वेलकम टू फ्लाई योरसेल्फ। सोचो, सीखो, बोलो। यहाँ मिलेंगी आपको वो बातें जो बदलेंगी आपकी सोच। सीखेंगे हम जिंदगी के जरूरी हुनर और बोलेंगे दिल से, बिना डर, बिना झिझक। तो तैयार हो जाइए, चलिए शुरू करते हैं यह नया सफर।
Hey, welcome everyone. I'm super excited that you're joining us today. So, let's dive right in and see what's in store.
You know, this topic is actually more important than most people realize. It affects our daily lives in ways we might not even notice. And honestly, it's something worth talking about.
Okay, so first up, here's something you should definitely know. This point really sets the stage for everything else we're going to discuss. And, well, it's kind of a big deal.
When you think about it, the impact is everywhere. From the way we interact with each other to the choices we make every day, this really shapes our experiences, even if we don't always realize it.
So, here's the thing. The next big trend in language is actually happening right now, even if we don't always notice it. New words and phrases are popping up all the time, and sometimes they just take off overnight. It's pretty exciting to think about how quickly language can change, you know?
You know, I actually read somewhere that the word selfie wasn't even a thing, like 10 years ago. Now, it's totally normal for everyone to use it. It's kind of wild how a single word can just enter our lives and become part of everyday conversations.
So, what does all this mean for us? Well, honestly, it just shows that language is always evolving, and it's shaped by the way we live and connect with each other. If we stay curious and open to new words, we can really enjoy how creative language can be. Thanks for watching. If you found these language trends interesting, go ahead and share your favorite new word in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more cool discussions like this.
गाइज़, अगर वीडियो आपको हेल्पफुल लगा हो तो इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और अपने सुझाव देने के लिए हमें कमेंट बॉक्स पे कमेंट ज़रूर करें। वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो आप इस वीडियो को लाइक करके हमें मोटिवेट कर सकते हैं।